Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food tasting unboxing. The tasting box is a smaller box, but it still comes with quite a lot of snacks. And this is the box for July. So the first item we have is a maple barbecue. It's vegetarian Fred premium pork. But that's pretty good. Jackson's obsessed with these, so he's going to be excited for it. They're little cream-filled wafers, and this one has dark chocolate in it. I think people normally like eat them with coffee, but he loves these. He always finds them and takes them whenever he sees them. Next up we have Spikers bite-sized crackers, El Nacho cheese flavor. This we've had before. I'm not sure that I ever ate it though. I might have given that to a family member. This is sea salt, ancient grains, organic, and all that good stuff. Also have a Skinny Jimmy protein bar, Eye of the Tiger. This has caramel, chocolate, nut, and it has caffeine and turmeric in it as well. And it's really tiny. It's like 100 calories, but packed with energy and caffeine. Also have Nature Valley Crunchy Oats and Honey Bar. I used to eat a lot of these when I was younger. They're so good. Oh my god, I've never seen these before. We eat the Harvest Snaps, the pea crisps, but now apparently they have little crunchions, however you say that. And it's sour cream and onion flavor. That's super exciting. I'm very excited for that. But if you never tried the pea crisps, we typically just get like the salt ones. They're really good, but they have a bunch of other flavors. But Jackson's favorite are the salt ones. I feel like it's a little bit healthier for him to eat than chips. And then we have orange cranberry twice baked cookies. Ooh, with real Michigan cranberries and a touch of citrusy orange zest. Yum. Yeah, they're like little sticks like it shows there. Super excited. There's some brand new snacks in here, some old favorites. But yeah, love this box. I've been subscribed for years. If you guys are interested in joining, they do have this box and a bigger box. So I will put the link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.